Init.
Dito dali pa yung view maganda.
Welcome to Papiti.
Sapa.
1, 2, 3.
Puno na to eh.
Puno na ba?
Puno na, umikat ba? Puno na to ng picture. Oo, ang ganda ng lugar oh.
Sini. Ngapain? Galing ka na rito?
Many times.
Ano meron dito?
Catamaran, McDonald's.
Meron ba dyan?
Yeah. But very expensive, no? For 3 person, you have to spend like $100 US. Good afternoon, good morning, everybody. Welcome to Papiti in French Polynesia. Time check right now, 11:05 in the morning. We arrive at 8 today, departing midnight at midnight, going to Moorea for tomorrow. We're doing our Trans-Pacific voyage that started in Seattle. Today, we reached Papiti in Tahiti, October 19, 2024. Yeah, we are on our way to Australia. That will be our final destination. And today we just finished our crew drill. Only for the crew. Hello, Bikram. Say hello to your family in India. You're on YouTube now.
Oh, hello.
Say hello to your family, guys.
Hi.
You're on YouTube now. Yeah. Okay, so today is our first day after 5 days at sea. We're going to enjoy a little sun. It's not so sunny. However, humidity is very high. Temperature is maybe around 31 degrees Celsius. Majumar, say hello to your family.
Hi! Kumusta po kayo dyan?
Subscribe to my channel, please.
Alright.
Where are you from, Majumar?
From Bohol, Philippines.
Oh, hello, Bohol. Hello. Shout out, Boholaños. What about you, Daryl? Where are you from?
Hi, from Iloilo.
Wow, Iloilo. Ano, kababayan pala kita eh.
Imaras Island.
Wow. Hello, Marcus here. Nandun sila. Nandun si Royce. Nag-drill kami. Nasa deck 3. Magkita tayo sa deck 3. Yeah, bye. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, once again, welcome to Papiti. And thank you for watching. Bye.
Drink water, drink water. Start again.
Hey. Say hello, say hello.
Hello.
Ate, say hello, no? Ganda ng yate, oh. I think this one owns by one of the billionaire. One of the billionaire. One of the billionaires. Yeah. The name of the yacht is Akiho from Georgetown. Where's Georgetown? Beautiful yacht. Ganda ng pintura, no? Kinis.